When you first open Wireshark, it looks overwhelming. Hundreds of packets, strange protocols, random IP addresses. But once you understand these 6 columns, you'll read network traffic like a cybersecurity professional. This top section is called the packet list pane. Every row is one packet. Every column tells you something specific about that packet. The first column is number. This is simply the packet's position in the capture. Packet 1, first captured. Packet 2, second, and so on. This number doesn't exist on the network itself. Wireshark generates it, so you can navigate thousands of packets without losing track. The time column shows exactly when each packet was captured, in seconds since the capture started. 1 millisecond apart. Modern networks are incredibly fast. Time helps you understand delays, latency, and the exact order of network events. When troubleshooting a slow connection, this column is your best friend. Source, where the packet came from. Who sent it? Your own computer, another device on your network, or a server on the internet. Every single packet has a sender. There are no anonymous packets on a network. Someone always sends it. Destination, where the packet is going. Together with source, these 2 columns tell you who is talking to whom. Every network conversation has 2 endpoints, source and destination, sender and receiver. That's the foundation of all network communication. Protocol, one of the most important columns. Think of a protocol as a language. Different applications speak different languages. HTTP loads web pages. DNS translates names into IP addresses. TCP delivers data reliably. UDP focuses on speed. TLS encrypts everything. QUIC combines speed with encryption. Just by reading this column, you instantly know what's happening. You can even filter by protocol. Type DNS, only DNS packets. Type TLS, only encrypted traffic. The protocol column is your fastest navigation tool. Before we wrap up, one more thing. See this bar at the top? Apply a display filter. This is where the protocol column becomes a superpower. You just saw DNS, TCP, TLS, one click each. The protocol column tells you what to filter. The filter bar executes it. Together they let you cut through thousands of packets in seconds. Type the protocol name, hit enter. That's professional level navigation. Length, the size of the packet in bytes. Small packets carry control signals. Large packets carry actual data, web pages, files, video. A TCP SYN packet, 60 bytes. Just a handshake signal. An HTTP response carrying a web page, 364 bytes. Length tells you what kind of packet you're looking at before you even open it. Info, the quick summary column. Instead of opening every packet, Wireshark gives you the key information right here. TCP SYN, HTTP GET / DNS query for google.com. TLS application data, encrypted. This is the first column analysts look at when investigating traffic. It's Wireshark's way of saying, here's what matters about this packet, without making you dig through every layer. 6 columns, 6 pieces of information. Together they tell the complete story of every packet, who sent it, who received it, when, which protocol, how much data, and what it's doing. Once you can read these 6 columns, you've taken your first real step into professional network analysis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because we'll continue exploring cybersecurity, networking, and ethical hacking with practical, beginner-friendly videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.